Hi, this is a video on how to submit a residential building permit application in Blaine's iMS permitting software. If you aren't already registered as one, please see our iMS help video on how to become registered as a user for homeowners or a pro for contractors. Once you have validated your account as a user or a pro and updated your account information, you may start the permit process. Go to our website at blainemn.gov and scroll down until you see Applications, Licensing, and Permits. Then select Building Permit on the right-hand side of the page. From here, you'd either select Commercial Construction or Residential Construction Permits. Now you'll see the Residential Construction Permit options. These are the residential selection options. Commercial will be different. For this example, we'll be using alterations, remodel, and repair. This page will give you all the information you need to apply for your permit, such as documents needed for uploads, code requirements, required inspections, fees, plan review time, and other general information. When you're ready to apply for your permit, you will select the orange button, Step 3, Apply. For some permit types, there's an additional step. For this example, we'll apply for a basement finish permit. You'll now be on the logon page. Add your address by typing in the building number and one space in the first character of your street. Select the correct address from the Blaine iMS drop-down list. In this case, it is not showing up. If your browser has an autocomplete feature turned on, such as Chrome autofill, that autofill drop-down menu may cover the Blaine iMS drop-down and prevent you from selecting your address for your application. You can tell this is a Chrome autofill if it says Manage Addresses. If this happens, enter your address without the first digit of your street number and enter the first couple characters of their street name. And select the correct address from the Blaine dropdown. You know the address has been selected correctly when you see it in the gray box below the Find Address box and above the green Next button. Then select the green Next button. Please read the requirements for the permit application submittal and click Next. Type in the description of your project. Please be specific. Fill in the application. Everything with an asterisk must be filled in. Click the Next button. Fill in the context if needed by starting to type in the company name, and then select the correct contractor from the drop-down and click the Next button. If the company name doesn't appear, the contractor doesn't have an active license in our system. Please ask your contractor to contact us to activate their license. If you don't have an active contractor, you'll need to wait until your contractor is active to finish your application. Don't worry, everything you have entered will be saved, and when you come back to your application, it will bring you to this point. Your permit can be viewed from your dashboard right here. You'll now be required to upload your required plans and documents. Follow the prompts and upload pages. You can choose a file or drop and drag a file from your desktop. Then click Next. Please read and accept the acknowledgement. This is your application summary page. Review your application to make sure everything is correct. You may click on the orange Edit buttons or Exchange buttons to change anything. Select Submit at the bottom of the page. Your permit has now been submitted. You'll receive an email saying that your permit has been submitted. Your permit application will be forwarded to an inspector for plan review. When your permit has been reviewed and approved, you'll receive an email telling you how to make payment. Once you have paid for your permit, you'll receive an email with the permit and the inspection card attached, or you can find these and your plans for your project on the Files tile of your permit. You may now start your project. Should you have any questions on this project, please call 763-785-6177, or you may email the Building Inspections Department at building@blainemn.gov.